Edward Thomas Hardy, born September 15, 1977, is an English actor, producer, and screenwriter. After studying in acting at the Drama Centre London, he made his film debut in Ridley Scott's Black Hawk Down 2001. In 2015, he starred Mad Max Rokitansky in Mad Max Fury Road and both Kray twins in Legend, and was nominated for the Academy Award for Best Supporting Actor for his role in The Revenant. Tom created, co-produced, and took the lead in the 8-part historical fiction series Taboo 2017 on BBC One. Hardy married producer Sarah Ward in 1999, and they divorced in 2004. He met and began dating assistant director Rachel Speed on the set of The Virgin Queen in 2005, and they later had a son before separating in 2009. That year, he began a relationship with actress Charlotte Riley after they met on the set of Wuthering Heights, and they were married in July 2014. Together, they have 2 sons. Located in Richmond, Tom Hardy's remarkable 2-story house stands as a testament to architectural brilliance. Radiated timeless elegance, this majestic residence was acquired by the actor in 2016 for £2.5 million. An avid practitioner of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, Hardy has been seen training at Roger Gracie's affiliate school and with John Danaher. He has won a number of Jiu-Jitsu competitions, with one such occurrence being at the UMAC Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu Open Championships in September 2022. Thanks for watching, don't forget subscribe, likes and comments.